Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristin and I love to craft. Today we are going to be doing a embroidered keychain thanks to SEWTECH. They sent me a new magnetic embroidery hoop. This is a mini embroidery hoop. I will provide a link directly to their website, supplies used in this video, and a coupon code for you to use on your future purchase with SEWTECH. My favorite thing about magnetic hoops is they have these little magnetic pieces that you can just plop on there and your fabric or whatever you are embroidering on stays put, and these are super easy to take off. And it also comes with a card right here, that way that you can see exactly where you are going to be embroidering and if it's center or not. Here's a close-up of the magnetic hoop. I have reviewed a few of these before and they have been excellent, so I'm sure that this one is going to be too. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. So we do have our magnetic hoop here. I'm going to place down 2 of the tearaway stabilizers. I'm also just going to lay on top our faux leather, and then I'm going to apply the magnets to right there, and then you can also feel where the metal is, so I'm going to put one right there and one right there. All right, let's head on over to the embroidery machine. Okay, so here we are at the embroidery station. I'm going to go ahead and turn the machine on. I do already have my designs loaded on my flash drive here. And then I'm going to go ahead and load my design. If you need an in-depth tutorial on how to pull up designs from your flash drive, I do have them available on my channel. So for this one, we are going to do the dad keychain. So we have that one pulled up. We're going to make sure that we do click the smallest hoop available, and it is on there. I also do want to rotate it, so do it that way. So we already have it hooped, we just need to put it on our machine. So I have it here, I'm just going to slide the hoop on just like that. We do need to change out our thread, so let me go ahead and do that real quick. I did want to use a light color thread because the faux leather is pretty dark. So I'm just going to put that on there. Okay, and then close that up and press start. Okay, now that it's done embroidering, we are going to lift up that presser foot, and then we are going to take the hoop off, just like that. Now let's head on over to the craft table and finish this up. Okay, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So all I did was just tear off the tearaway stabilizer and trim up the threads. Now I'm just going to just trim it across. Now this is going to go on his golf bag, so I'm just going to do a strip like so. Put those out of the way. We can definitely make 2 more with these, and then I'm just going to add a little snap to it. I have some snaps here, and I also have some things in here. So I'm wondering, yeah, I'm definitely going to make a snap one. I was thinking maybe I could do like a key fob, but I don't think that that is what I'm really going for. So I'm going to take out one of these. The kit does come with a tool, which is here. And then we need, let's see, I think I want to do white. It'll match the thread. Okay, so we have that piece, that one, and then we need one of those. I always have to watch videos on how to do this, but for the hollow side, we are going to do this part face down. Then we are going to flip it over, and we're going to take this piece with the spikes and put it on there. All right, and now let's see, let's do the snap on the inside. So we'll just do it right there, squeeze it. So now you should have a metal piece and a snap piece. Now for this piece, it's going to be really hard to tell, but this is called the front side. This is called the back side. So it's more of like a rounded, smooth side. This is going to face up. So we will put that right there. And then we'll put the solid white piece on there as well. And this one always falls out for me. I'm not sure why, but I'll put it on there and just kind of hold it like this. And then I'm going to flip the keychain upside down. That way that solid white piece is facing straight up. And then center it and squeeze it. Just like that. And then snap it together. Just like that. And so it's gonna go on his golf bag. I thought that was just really cute. Now, if I would have thought it out a little bit more, I probably would have centered the dad maybe like across the front, but the way that it's going to go on his bag, I think it's going to be perfectly fine. So if you are looking to make a cool snap keychain, definitely get this kit from Amazon. I will have it linked down below. It's really easy to use. It comes with a bunch of parts in case you mess up. You can't really go wrong with that. And really and truly, I don't think you're going to be making more than 100 keychains unless it's like a business. So this kit has lasted me so long. Thank you all so much for tuning into today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. Thank you so much to SEWTECH for sending me that magnetic hoop, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!